Let's talk about the HENCKELS Premium Quality 15-piece knife set, currently priced at $149.99 and racking up a stellar 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 25,000 ratings. This set brings that German-engineered precision for which the brand is well known, touting over 100 years of knife-making mastery. If you appreciate ultra-sharp blades and a lightweight yet strong feel, these knives are going to seriously upgrade your prep game. They're fabricated from high-carbon stainless steel, and the single-piece, precision-stamped construction means these blades are both durable and stain-rust-free. The set isn't just about cutting power. It's loaded with essentials: chef's knife, bread knife, utility knives, paring knife, hollow-edge santokus, 6 steak knives, a professional honing steel, kitchen shears, and a handsome hardwood block. One of the biggest pros, highlighted in thousands of reviews, is just how sharp and long-lasting these knives are, even with minimal maintenance. They're dishwasher safe, though you'll get more life from hand washing, and users rave about the easy, effortless cuts with everything from veggies to steaks. Customers also appreciate the folding handle design that gives nice balance and control. As for cons, some users mention that, while light and agile, the stamped construction won't offer the same heft as a forged knife, so that's a matter of personal preference. A handful of reviewers also felt the steak knives could be a bit sharper straight out of the box, but the included honing steel solves that quickly. Overall, for those seeking professional sharpness, classic styling, and easy upkeep, this HENCKELS set is an investment you'll appreciate for years. As always, we share buy links in the description box for smooth shopping.